Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 9th of September in the year 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of September 2024, our system has designated QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.11. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of -1.43%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.48% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trend. The present 3-month trend points to a possible decrease of approximately 4.62% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return fluctuating between -10.51% and +2.2%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates an expected change of 32.24% over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 29.78% and 52.6%. This translates to a price range from $589.80 to $693.50 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ ETF highlights a positive turn, noting a green day on Monday with a gain of 1.29%. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 9th of September 2024, the QQQ ETF price increased by 1.29%, moving from $448.69 to $454.46. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.25%, reaching a low of $449.82 and a high of $455.46. However, the price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decrease of 5.32% during this period. The trading volume also saw a drop, with 17 million shares less traded on the last day, totaling 32 million shares exchanged for around $14.77 billion. It's important to note that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate a divergence, potentially serving as an early warning for changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest was $342.35. Currently, the price sits at 9.74%, or $49.06, below the 52-week high, which is also the all-time high for the ETF at $503.52. Recent developments surrounding the Invesco QQQ Trust reflect a complex environment for investors. Trading strategies have shifted, with discussions around potentially navigating QQQ to the downside, as market participants express skepticism about a sustained rebound. Valuations remain a critical factor. Many of QQQ's heavyweights, including Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia, exhibit high price-to-earnings ratios around 38.88, suggesting overpriced conditions that could deter growth in the near term. This heightened valuation scrutiny is significant as analysts emphasize the need for top tech stocks to deliver tangible results rather than rely solely on their previous high-flying status. The market is entering what has been characterized as a show-me moment for AI stocks, with investors increasingly demanding proof of growth and performance. The recent sell-off in tech has provided a buying opportunity for several tech-heavy exchange-traded funds, including QQQ. Reliance on secular growth trends may underpin long-term upside, but the current market volatility and underlying economic factors, such as impending Federal Reserve decisions and election year uncertainties, add layers of complexity to investment decisions. In the short term, these dynamics could result in volatile movements in QQQ's stock price, while in the long term, investors may need to remain patient, focusing on fundamental performance to navigate the often unpredictable landscape of technology investments. The balance between current valuations, actual growth, and broader economic conditions will ultimately shape QQQ's trajectory in the coming months. The following signals have been identified for the QQQ. Volume declined during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which could potentially impact short-term developments. The QQQ ETF exhibits sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $461.93 and $463.96. A breakout above either of these points will generate buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21st, 2024, and since then the price has decreased by 5.81%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger suggested a buy signal 25 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 3 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 200 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $448.75. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund typically sees good trading volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is regarded as low. Over the past day, the ETF moved $5.64, which is a change of 1.25% between its high and low. In the last week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.05%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might suggest either a subdued outlook for the company's future or indicate that the stock is undervalued, which could represent a promising buying opportunity. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $458.27. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a suitable point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $448.75. If this support level remains intact, It could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Currently, we hold a negative view on this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop-loss established. Is the QQQ exchange-traded fund a good buy? The QQQ ETF exhibits several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 10th of September, we expect the QQQ to open lower by $1.21, starting at $453.25. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not rely solely on StockInvest.us for your investment decisions. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.